Now, it's been a rough week for Harry Potter author J.K. Rowling, from trying to explain her views on gender identity amid backlash to revealing that she is a survivor of domestic violence and sexual assault. The author has come out with a lot in the past few days. And now, Rowling's ex-husband, Arantes, has reacted to her accusations, confessing that he slapped her while insisting that he wasn't sorry. Sounds confusing. Let's find out more in this report. Years after her last book came out, Harry Potter author J.K. Rowling is once again making headlines. This time for all the wrong reasons. Last weekend, the British author had drawn criticism for a transphobic tweet. An article by DevX, a media platform for the global development community, chose to use the term people who menstruate instead of women, while arguing for greater investment in menstrual health and hygiene. Mocking the headline, "People who menstruate," Rowling wrote, and we quote, "I'm sure there used to be a word for those people. Wumben, Wimpund, Wumund." Twitter roared back. The tweet and her follow-up comments drew ire from transgender activists who called her views insensitive, while asserting that trans and non-binary people menstruate too. Some even called Rowling a TERF or a trans-exclusionary radical feminist. She received a lot of flack from celebrities too. Harry Potter star Daniel Radcliffe put out a statement denouncing her comments. Transgender women are women. Any statement to the contrary erases the identity and dignity of transgender people. The celebrity author responded to the criticism by penning a 3,600-word essay on her website, in which she confessed to feeling mentally sexless during her youth. She goes on to write, "As I didn't have a realistic possibility of becoming a man back in the 1980s, it had to be books and music that got me through." She also revealed that she is a domestic abuse and sexual assault survivor. Rowling has been married twice, and her first husband was a Portuguese television journalist, Jorge Arantes, with whom she shares a daughter. In response to the author's recent essay, he admitted to slapping her but denied sustained abuse. "Yes, it is true I slapped her, but I didn't abuse her," the 52-year-old said in a controversial interview. The LGBTQ rights organization GLAAD too responded to Rowling's comments, saying the author has aligned herself with an ideology that willfully distorts facts about gender identity and people who are trans. For her part, Rowling has accused her critics of erasing the concept of sex by claiming that trans women are women. Our take on this: the online debate over transgender identity needs more speech, not less. Should trans women compete in women's sports? Should trans women be using toilets meant only for women? It's something all of us need to think about. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.